Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about how to add the pagination into your Next.js application. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we have already built the infinite scrolling. The pagination part is there, so you can click on the one page, so it will reflect the one page data, two page data, three page, four page, and the fifth page. Okay, so you can go with the previous page also, previous, the next page also. Okay, so how we have done this one we are going to learn in this video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the fetch user, so we have modified the code of the fetch users. Okay, so if you haven't watched my last 2-3 videos, please watch it, then you will be very much clarity on the how I have generated the Prisma and all. Okay, so basically this is the API section where we have the use server, Prisma client initialized with the Prisma client, and here this is the API for that one. If the user ID is there, then go with this one, else this code will generate that Prisma product find many with the skip, take, and the total count we have to send. Okay, return products with the total count. If something goes wrong, it will go with the catch block with the error fetching the data. Make sure source action fetch user.js. Then we have a card.js file where we have the card component. Okay, so according to it you can design the card component where which expects title, description, and the image or price, whatever you want to send, you can send and call it like this. Okay, and this is the styles of that card. Got it? Next we have a page.js file, which is the main file where we have the everything logic over here. So here we go with this one. So make sure at the top of it you have to use the use client. Okay, I have already added use client, so make sure you have to add. Then import the use state, use effect from the React, and the fetch products from the actions, fetch users from the card component we are going to use. Here we have the all the initial states, that is data page is loading the total pages. Okay, then we have a fetch data, so we are calling the fetch products with the page number and set the total page, what exactly the total page is, so that we have to calculate the total pages, and according to it we have to generate the numbers, previous and the next. Okay, buttons. Then we have a, when we click on the load next page, so page plus one we are going to fetch the data. Next one, load previous with -1 data we are going to fetch from the API call. Go to the page number, so here we have the set the new data. So on the behalf of the page number, which page number I want to go, here fetch data with the page number. Okay, then we have the use effect where we are calling the initial page data entering, and then we have the render pagination. So here we have the page numbers, the calculation when you click on the button, active, inactive, so all the states are setting over here. Okay, next one, return the page numbers. Then we have the data to map first in the card component. Then we have the buttons, that it load previous page, load next page. Then the last one, that is we have the pagination where we have designed the numbers pagination. Okay, so this is that one, and end of the code. Okay, so I think the buttons are there. Okay, the pay class pagination, render pagination numbers. So here we have the pagination numbers which we have created, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and return the page numbers with the active or blank, right? So this is how you can add the pagination into your Next.js component with the help of the Prisma server-side action. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.